everybody. Welcome to Prudent Food Mania. तो मैं सोच रहा था कि आज क्या किया जाए, कुछ मजा है. I come from the eastern part of India. हम लोग ना मस्टर्ड बहुत खाते हैं. तो सोचा क्यों ना मस्टर्ड को थोड़ा फ्यूजन किया जाए, विद पैन एशियन. तो ये जो है प्रोसेस है, इट्स ए टू प्रोसेस. बड़ा आसान है. एंड जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, आई थिंक ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपके घर में होते हैं, एक्सेप्ट 1 or 2. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स कि मैं यूज़ क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं आपको थोड़ा इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में बता दूँ. तो आज जो मैं इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, चिकन ब्रेस्ट. ये चिकन ब्रेस्ट को मैंने स्लाइस किया हुआ है. पर एक चीज़ ध्यान दीजिए, चिकन ब्रेस्ट को जब आप स्लाइस करते हैं ना, इट हैज़ टू बी फ्रोजन. अगर आप थाव करके स्लाइस करेंगे आपको बड़ी दिक्कत आएगी. इट हैज़ टू बी फ्रोजन एंड probably my preferred thing is use a chopper. So I have the sliced chicken breast here, and let me tell you something about the ingredients. Now ingredients, I have corn flour, egg white. I have used egg white because इस डिश में जो चिकन है, it has to be very soft, and egg white, remember, will make the meat softer, and egg yolk जो है ना थोड़ा crisp करता है. I have got some chicken stock. I have got some Guntur and Kashmiri red chili, sliced garlic, chopped garlic, sugar. Then I have got corn flour mixed with water. This is the refined oil, cooked chili paste, and kasundi. That's very popular in Bengal. We have it every time. Then we have curry leaves, we have vinegar, we have the chicken seasoning, and here what we have, you see, this is a light soya, and this what I have used is a dark soya. You can see the color difference. Chili oil, mustard oil, spring onion, tomato ketchup. So all these ingredients we are going to use today. So ingredients आपको दिखा दिया. अब आप पूछेंगे कि क्या बना रहे हो सर. तो मैं जो चीज़ बना रहा हूँ, it's chili mustard chicken with dried red chili. So now we do little marination. Like I told you, I'll be using egg white. So I'm putting little एग वाइट. ये चिकन को काफ़ी सॉफ्ट कर देगा. डोंट यूज मच ऑफ कॉर्नफ्लावर. ये ना चिकन को पकौड़ा बना देगा नहीं तो. सो लेट इट स्टे फॉर 2 to 3 minutes. So the first process we are going to use मस्टर्ड ऑयल. हम लोग पहले मस्टर्ड ऑयल यूज करेंगे टू मेक द चिली मस्टर्ड सॉस. इन द सेकेंड प्रोसेस वी विल बी यूजिंग रिफाइंड ऑयल. सो फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज मस्टर्ड ऑयल. सो यू सी आई हैव मस्टर्ड ऑयल हियर. लेट द ऑयल हीट अप. सो वी हैव 3 things going in together: dry red chili, curry leaves, and chopped garlic. Nice flavor, huh? Garlic and red chili, curry leaves. So now we add the kasundi. This is available in all the major supermarkets. It's a Bengali speciality. So we add the kasundi. Remember one thing, kasundi has got salt in it. So you don't see anywhere I have used salt, because a lot of other sauces have got salt in it. So now we are going to add few more ingredients. Now that's the cooked chili paste. It depends how spicy you want. So I'm making it moderate spicy. Cooked chili paste. I'm just showing you the process to make the chili paste. Chili paste जो कैसे बनाते हैं. तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है इसके 3 चीज़ें बनेंगी. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें 2 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है. ये है देगी मिर्च, कश्मीरी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, और ये है गुंटूर. ये आंध्रा का है, ये स्पाइसी है, एंड ये नॉन स्पाइसी फ्लेवर के लिए गिव्स गुड कलर. तो हमने पानी को बॉईल करना है. एकदम जब बॉईल हो जाता पानी, हमने ये कश्मीरी मिर्च और देगी मिर्च कहिए एंड द गुंटूर, जो गुंटूर मिर्च है, इन दोनों को हमने क्या करना है, इसके अंदर डाल देना है. तो डालने से पहले आपने ये इंडक्शन को कर देना है बंद. सबसे पहले मैंने डाल दिया कश्मीरी और इसके बाद मैंने डाल दिया गुंटूर. अब इनको जेंटली आप सोक कर दीजिए पानी के अंदर. तो इनसे जो है हमारा 3 प्रोडक्ट बनेगा. रॉ चिली पेस्ट, कुक चिली पेस्ट एंड चिली ऑयल. रॉ चिली पेस्ट को आप 1 वीक तक रख सकते हैं, एंड जो कुक चिली पेस्ट है अबाउट 2 वीक्स to 3 वीक्स, एंड चिली ऑयल को आप रख सकते हैं till about 4 weeks to 5 weeks. बस ये हो गया. अब आपने इसको छोड़ देना है in a dark place for at least 10 to 12 hours for fermentation. तो अगले दिन सुबह जो है इसमें से बबल्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, and then the next process starts.
So this is the raw chili paste. This we have made by straining the fermented chilies which were fermented overnight for 10 to 12 hours, has been strained and grinded in the mixie. So this is the raw chili paste, and we're going to make 2 more products.
Garlic paste and chopped onions. तो इन तीनों चीज़ों की हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ये हमने पहले बना रखा है. दिस इज द रॉ फर्मेंटेड चिली पेस्ट जो मिक्सर में हमने ग्राइंडर किया है. So now we have put oil in it, so just waiting for the oil to become a little hot. Yeah, so the oil seems to be hot. So first what we will do is we'll put the onions. So we just wait for it to brown. थोड़ा प्याज को हम ब्राउन कर लेते हैं. गार्लिक पेस्ट जो है हम बाद में डालेंगे. So you can well see the onions are getting little brown. तो थोड़ा कलर लेने लग गया है. तो अब इसमें जो है मैं I'll put the garlic. I have used 5 medium-sized onion, and I have used about 100 grams of peeled garlic, and the raw chili paste. What I made, ये मैंने बनाया है 250 grams of each. That means 250 grams of Kashmiri degi mirch and 250 grams of Guntur mirch. So we just brown it a little bit more. So as you see, the onions have got nice golden color, caramelized. So now we are going to add on the raw chili paste. So I take this raw chili paste. So you'll have to keep the flame on medium. मीडियम फ्लेम पे अभी इसको कुक करना है. Why on a medium flame and why there is so much of oil? I'll tell you the reason later on. So we'll have to cook it for some time, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. So see the color. So now this cooked chili paste is ready. So we'll have to just put up the flame. So I put up the flame now and just leave it aside for a few minutes, about 5 minutes or so, so that you have the oil floating on the top. So the oil which is floating on the top will be the chili oil, and the rest of the paste is for cooked chili paste. And you did see the raw chili paste. तो 3 प्रोडक्ट आपके हो गए. रॉ चिली पेस्ट आपने पहले देखा, ये कुक चिली पेस्ट है, और इसको बस 5 मिनट तक हम ठंडा करने रखेंगे तो ये जो सारा ऑयल है ना ये ऊपर आ जाएगा. इसको आपने अलग करके रखना है. तो वो लेटर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कौन से डिश में, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रिपरेशन, what meat you are preparing, what vegetables you are preparing. So किस खाने में क्या like garlic is used or ginger is used. So accordingly we have to put different chili pastes. So now the chili paste is ready, cooked chili paste. So this is how you'll have to strain it. So we have strained it. So that's the cooked chili paste, and what you have is 2 products, the cooked chili paste and the chili oil. The chili oil you can preserve it for 6 to 8 weeks. This also for about 4 weeks you can preserve it. The raw chili paste you can preserve it for about 1 to 2 weeks, but in the refrigerator. Little sugar, because you know the sauce is supposed to be sweet, sour and spicy. Then I've got some chicken seasoning. Then I've got some tomato ketchup. Then I've got the dark soya. Dark soya you have to use less, you know, otherwise it will make the food black. काला कर देगा खाने को. And that's the light soya. Now there is another ingredient, you know, which will go in, you know, that's vinegar. But vinegar you will have to be very careful, you know. That's the last thing you'll have to put, because that will balance the sauce. So put the flame on the higher side and let the kasundi cook along with all the other ingredients. It should have, you know, little yellow and orangish color. I'm going to add a little more sugar, a little of the chicken seasoning, adding little more light soya. In case you're not getting light soya, you can use, there is another brand called Healthy Boy Soya. So that's another good stuff you can use. So this is the first process. So you'll have to cook it. You'll have to cook it for at least 7 to 8 minutes. In Bengal and Odisha, you know, it's a very common household thing, kasundi.
kadhai. Perfect butter chicken at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge kadhai, Futura.
Futura stir fry wok. Perfect stir fry noodles at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge stir fry wok, Futura.
Futura saucepan. Perfect tomato soup at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge Futura saucepan.
Futura frying pan. Perfect chicken cutlets at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge frying pan, Futura.
Ma, what are you cooking today?
Navratan korma. But not I. You shall make it because you have to set up your own home.
Okay, ma, but quickly.
Then take this Futura. This takes less ghee or oil. Now, put vegetables in. Now, close the Futura and see how fast the Futura cooks. See, such a difficult dish was made so easily.
Ma, thank you.
The beautiful pressure cooker for beautiful people, Futura.
We've changed so much. But not Priya. Are you dieting, huh? Not at all. I eat what I want. So what's your secret? Come, let me show you. Here's my Futura pressure cooker. Wow. It needs less oil. Aha, healthy. It doesn't whistle. Yes, it's an advanced cooker.
Futura pressure cooker for healthy and tasty food. From Hawkins.
Now we do the second process. Now what we have marinated in the the chicken breast, sliced chicken breast in white of egg. Okay, remember, don't use the egg yolk, white of egg. We're going to just fry it, deep fry it, not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Not more than 2 or 3 minutes. So that's the second process. So we are done with it. If you use egg yolk, it will become crisp and the color will be more darker. But we need the chicken, the texture has to be soft and it has to be absolutely pure white color. See, it's looking so nice. So again with the second process, red chilies, curry leaves, give it a gentle push, little color, garlic and थोड़ा सा अगर रंग छोड़ देगा ना ये, yeah, the garlic have turned this thing brown. So now that's the chili mustard sauce what we have made. खुशबू बड़ा जबरदस्त आ रहा है. I'll use the chicken stock only if I need, otherwise I will not. So now again, little light soya, 2-3 drops of dark soya, chili oil, sugar and chicken seasoning. So now we are going to add the chicken. Spring onion and at last vinegar, but vinegar you'll have to be careful, Put the vinegar and turn off the gas, otherwise this will evaporate. I don't need the stock. So that's done. So, our chili mustard chicken with dried red chili तैयार है. So just let me first of all dish it out. Let's see how does it look like, and then I have a surprise for you. Sprinkle some spring onions. तैयार है. और आज we have a special guest, Pravita. Pravita, would you please come in?
हेलो भैया क्या स्पेशल है आज?
बताता हूँ. So Pravita, I'll just tell you about her. She's a hotel management graduate. She's also a home chef, home baker chef. She makes brilliant cakes and all. But again, you know, I said her background, but she's also a jeweler. Let me tell you, Pravita's. So Pravita, that's sliced chicken breast, and chili mustard sauce के साथ, you know, ये थोड़ा pan Asian touch fusion किया हुआ है. You can have as it is. You can have it with steamed rice. Please tell me. कैसा लगा? Tell me honestly.
यम्मी, बहुत ही टेस्टी है भैया. Perfect blend of your spices, salt, everything really amazing.
You know, as the name signifies, Pravita, chili mustard chicken with dried red chili. So it's got mustard,
It's
dried
really
red chili,
giving that flavor of that mustard.
and it's got sweet, sour, spicy.
Yes, it's giving
and
it's pushing
we
that
have,
flavor.
the medium is mustard oil.
बहुत ही टेस्टी है. And I feel every Goan should try this recipe at home. सगळ्यांनी घरात try करपाकूच जाय ही recipe. It's really yummy. I think I'm going to have another bite also.
No rice?
Yeah.
Or I'll pack it up
don't
for you.
mind. I don't mind. Seriously, the taste with the rice really gives the combination and makes it really very amazing. Not
Thank you,
too
Pravita.
spicy.
Thank you so much for
I
your
will definitely try
encouragement.
this. Thank you so much, Bhaiya, for inviting me.
So, before I say goodbye, you know, I'm going to ask you a question. And I've got complimentary food vouchers from Delmon Hotel, Teens Restaurant, Coquero. If you have seen the program, you will have to tell me which part of the egg, when you marinate with a meat product, it makes it softer, and which part of the egg, when you marinate with the meat product, it makes it crispy. You can write your answers in the email ID given below. Give your suggestions also. Always welcome. You know, we learn every day, every time, every day something new. And till the next episode, all the best. Goodbye. Bon appetit.